Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best niacinamide serum on the market, the ANUA Niacinamide 10 plus TXA 4 serum. This serum is a standout in the world of Korean skincare, designed to deliver a clarifying, radiant complexion and that coveted glass skin glow. The formula features a potent 10% concentration of niacinamide, well known for its ability to brighten skin, improve uneven tone, and minimize the appearance of enlarged pores. Alongside niacinamide, the serum contains 4% tranexamic acid, a powerful ingredient celebrated for its ability to reduce dark spots and discoloration, giving the skin a more even and luminous look. To boost its brightening effects even further, the serum also includes 2% arbutin, a natural compound known for helping to fade hyperpigmentation gently. What makes this serum particularly appealing is its gentle yet effective composition. It's enriched with ceramides and various forms of hyaluronic acid, ingredients that work together to strengthen the skin's barrier, deeply hydrate, and soothe any irritation. This combination helps protect sensitive or damaged skin, making the serum suitable for all skin types, including those prone to acne or sensitivity. The texture is lightweight and watery, which means it absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy or heavy residue. It even has a natural pink tint derived from its ingredients, adding a subtle visual appeal without any added fragrance or synthetic colors. This fragrance-free and cruelty-free serum can be comfortably incorporated into both your morning and evening skincare routines. In terms of packaging, the serum comes in a compact 30 ml bottle, perfect for daily use and travel-friendly. The product is crafted with a long list of beneficial botanical extracts such as Centella asiatica, camellia seed oil, and peach flower extract, which offer additional soothing and antioxidant properties to support healthy, glowing skin. Using this serum is straightforward. Just apply a few drops to your face, focusing on areas with dullness or enlarged pores, and gently massage it in before layering on oils or moisturizers. Regular use can help improve skin texture and clarity while providing essential hydration. Overall, the ANUA Niacinamide 10 plus TXA 4 serum stands out for its powerful blend of proven brightening ingredients combined with skin barrier support, all in a lightweight, pleasant formula. Whether you're battling uneven skin tone, dark spots, or just want to enhance your skin's natural radiance, this serum is a compelling choice to add to your skincare arsenal. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.